Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. If you're trading Bitcoin right now, you'll want to pay attention to this one. We've got some really important data and insights, plus a brand new TradingView indicator that's going to change the game. Stick around for all the details on where Bitcoin is heading next. But before we dive into the charts, I want to introduce you to something we've been working on, our brand new flashback indicator. This tool shows you the average gain, average loss, average volume, and whether Bitcoin is closing more positive or negative on any given weekday. Right now, it's giving us some critical data, especially for traders trying to time the market more effectively. For example, today, Sunday, is showing up as the weakest gain day for Bitcoin with historical performance data. We're seeing some real underperformance right now, but here's the exciting part. Tomorrow, Monday, is statistically the best day for gains, with an average of 1.98%, and it closes positively the majority of the time, with 50.7% of cases closing green. So, make sure you've got your eyes on the charts when the market opens tomorrow. Big moves could be coming. Now let's jump into the current price action. This past Saturday, Bitcoin got rejected right from the middle of the red channel, which ranges from 62,000 to 64.1 thousand. The rejection came right around the 63.4K mark, and since then, we've been sliding down, looking for support. Right now, the key level we're watching is 62.4K, which is the lower end of that red channel. If we bounce from here, that could confirm this as a strong support zone. But if we break down, we'll need to reassess our next key levels. Now here's an interesting observation, one that might point to bigger moves on the horizon. I came across a screenshot floating around on the web that shows a correlation between Google search trends for the term Bitcoin and the price action. Right now, search volume for Bitcoin is at a low point, almost identical to what we saw back in October 2020, right before the massive run-up that took Bitcoin to new all-time highs. Could history be about to repeat itself? With the right volume and market conditions, this could signal a perfect storm for Bitcoin. So where does that leave us? Bitcoin's current rejection from the 63.4 mark and the slide towards 62.4 could signal a temporary pullback. But with Monday's historical data showing strong gains, we might see a reversal sooner than expected. And don't forget that Google trend correlation. We could be on the verge of another major move, just like we saw in 2020. If you want to stay ahead of the market, keep your eye on our indicators for more insights. They can definitely show you how to time your trades better. And see you in the next one.